Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jai Padmajaraj. In this video I will show you a simple hairstyle that can be done easily for beginners and still it looks great, would be perfect for any occasions. It's called Waterfall Hairstyle. First, brush your hair backwards and take a partition to the extreme right of your crown area. Take a strand from near the ear area on the right and split it into two sections. Let's call them top and bottom strands. Now start braiding these two strands so that top strand comes to the bottom and bottom strand comes to the top. After you do this, add a third strand from slightly above these two braided strands. One point to remember is this strand should come in between these two braided strands. This is going to be our first waterfall strand and is not used for braiding. Continue this process of taking new strands and braiding these two strands till the point you want. secure the braid with bobby pin. That's it friends. This is how we do waterfall hairstyle. If you like this video, please share your likes and comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.